Hello mga kabusan, essential vocabularies in Korean. Are you ready? I or me, na, na, to go out, nagada, nagada, tree, namu, namu, to go down, neryugada, neryugada, to get off, nerida, nerida, tomorrow, nail, nail, refrigerator, nenjangu, nenjangu, too or very, nomo, nomo, basketball, nunggu, nunggu, to be high, nopta, nopta, who, nogu, nogu, to fly, nalda, nalda, weather, nalshi, nalshi, date, nalja, nalja, man, namja, namja, to fall down, no more chida, no more chida, to put in, notku, notku, song, nore, nore, to be bad, napuda, napuda, to come out, nauda, nauda, age, nai, nai, to hang out, nolda, nolda, to be surprised, nullada, nullada, to be low, natta, natta, news, 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 feeling, 느낌, 느낌, older sister, nona, nona, I, nun, nun, snow, nun, nun, tears, nonmul, nonmul. 잘했어요.